Hello everyone. This is Mr. Construction Channel. In this video we are going to show you how to repair crack on the painted wall. This method was successfully used in my project. Please subscribe to my channel for more updated videos. Thank you. Okay, let's start with tool and equipment.
Mask, paint scraper, brush, trowel, paint roller, sandpaper, scaffolding, catwalk, safety vest.
Next is work procedure. Step 1. Removing the existing paint a long crack line of 10 mm width using paint scraper. Step 2. Cleaning the chipping area and make sure no debris or dust using brush. Step 3. Apply skim coat on the chipping crack lines using trowel. Step 4. Polishing the skim coat by sandpaper to get flat surface. Step 5. Applying primer on the repaired area using paint roller. Step 6. Repainting the wall with selected product using paint roller.